All right. So first of all, I will revise few concepts from the yesterday's lecture. Okay. And the lecture which was a day before yesterday was given. In that lecture we solved only examples. Okay. Nothing new was taught. Okay. नवीन काही शिकवलं नव्हतं. In the yesterday's lecture, I have taught one concept only, that is the concept of electric field. We will revise that concept once again. Okay. So if someone has not seen that, he or she can also understand the things, further things. Okay, let us revise the thing. Okay, you just concentrate. Okay. Now do not reply anything. Okay, just try to focus what I am saying on. First of all, focus on that thing. Okay, understand it, and if you have any doubt, then I will ask. Then at that time you will reply me. Okay, fine, sir. So write down along with me. One more revision. You also write down along with me. Electric field. Okay, in the yesterday's lecture, I taught what is the meaning of electric field. Okay, electric field. Electric field is something we right now we don't know. Electric field is something which is around a charge system. Okay, let's say we have a charged system. We have a charge system. Charge system means what, sir? Charge system means just give me a second. In the last question, one doubt is there. Okay, you just send that doubt to me. Okay, on the WhatsApp. Okay, I will solve it. Fine, everyone concentrate. What is electric field? Electric field is something which is present around a charged system. Okay, let us, sir, yes sir, we understand, or let us say that we right now agree on this statement that there is something around a charge system. Now what is charge system? What is charge system? Charge system may be a point charge, maybe a single point charge, maybe collection of point charges, or maybe a charged body. Let's say this is a marker and this marker has been given some charge, so charged body. Okay sir, now we understand what is the meaning of charge system. A very simple thing. What is a charge system? It can be either a point charge, single point charge, or collection of point charges, a number of collection of point charges, or it can be a charged body. Okay sir, fine. Around that charge system there exists something because of which, this is our charged system, CS, charge system. Around that charge system there exists something because of which, if we place any other charge, test charge Q0, this test charge Q0 experiences some force, and one thing which is responsible for that force is nothing but the electric field. Whose electric field? Electric field of this charged system. Okay, so in a space around the charge system there exists something which is called as electric field, and because of that electric field this charge experiences force. Okay sir, this is very similar to a mass system, a system having some mass. Now what is a mass system? Maybe a point mass, maybe collection of point masses, or maybe a object having some mass. So when you have a mass system, around that mass there exists something called as gravitational field. Around a mass there exists something called as gravitational field, and in that gravitational field if you place any other mass, that mass will experience force because of this mass system. Now reply me in the chat box, C or N, clear or not? Conceptual understanding of electric field. Now I can see the chat box. Small c, small n. Good, very good. Good. Okay. Now again, come back and focus on the next point. Okay. Again, come back and focus on the next point. Okay. Fine. Now do not reply anything. Okay, sir. We want to measure electric field. We can measure gravitational field. We want to measure electric field. Okay. How to measure electric field of this charged system? Very simple. Very simple thing. What you have to do? If you place any charge in a space around this charge system, this charge will experience force. Okay. So calculate the force which is acting on this test charge. Okay. Okay. So we calculated the force acting on the test charge. Okay, sir. Divide that force by the value of charge. Divide that force by the value of charge. So find out what is the force acting on this charge. Now we know that because of this charge system, something called as electric field is produced, and because of that electric field, this charge experiences force. Okay. Now check what is the force acting on this charge. It is F. Divide by the value of charge. Okay. This value is called as magnitude of electric field. More the value of force, more will be the value of electric field. Okay, more the value of force, more will be the value of electric field. Okay, so this is called as magnitude of electric field. This is vectorially also true. Okay, if you take electric field as a vector, force as a vector, charge is a scalar quantity that you already know. This is also true vectorially. Okay, sir. Fine. So electric field is force divided by charge. Force per unit charge. Force divided by charge. Force per unit charge. Write down. Force per unit charge. Okay, sir. Fine. Force per unit charge. All right. Next thing that we want to learn, or next thing that we want to understand is, sir, if this electric field is given and charge is given, how to find out force? Simple rearrangement. Just keep on writing. This is revision. F bar is equal to this E bar into given charge Q0, or simply Q. If you want to write it as Q, no problem, write it as Q. I want to write it for time being as Q0. Fine. Now, see, this is vector, so it means this charge is to be substituted along with the sign. If it is plus charge, put it positive. If this is negative charge, put it negative. Okay, because this is vector. In this relation, we have considered the vectors. Okay, so write down here, substitute value of charge along with sign, because we are dealing with vectors. Okay, sir. Now let us take magnitude on both the sides. Simply magnitude of force, F bar magnitude is F, E bar magnitude is E, and Q just a numerical value. Okay, Q0 just a numerical value. Here you will use numerical value, because only numbers we want to deal with, not sign. Reply me in the chat box, clear and written. Now I can see the chat box. Clear and written. A small revision. Got it? Magnitude and the vector. Very good. Good. Sir, a message came that you are recording. Shall I click yes? Yes. Click on the yes. I am recording it. Fine. Next. Fine, sir. We understand up to this. Just give me a second. Fine. Now let us rub all these things. Now let us write something about direction also. Okay. Vector We revised magnitude, we revised. Now let us write something about direction. Let us write something about direction. Okay, now how to find out direction of electric field because of the given charged system? Very simple. Put here positive charge, put here positive charge. If this positive charge gets attracted towards the system, then the direction of electric field is towards the system. If this positive charge gets repelled from the system, then the direction of electric field is away from the system. So very simple. So write down one more revision point. Direction of electric field, direction of electric field, direction of electric field is the direction of force, is the direction of force experienced by whom? Positive charge or negative charge? By positive charge. By positive charge. Very simple thing. Okay, let's say I want to find out direction of electric field of this system at this point. I will put one positive charge here. Let it be of any magnitude. I just want to check whether this positive charge gets attracted or repelled by the system. If it gets attracted like this, then the direction of electric field is this. If it gets repelled, direction of electric field will be like this. Okay, sir. So it means that direction of electric field is the direction of force experienced by the positive charge. Okay, this fact you should never ever forget. Okay, sir, we will not forget it. Next, let me write down one more thing. Now, very obvious thing. Let's say our system is a positively charged system. Let's say our system is positively charged system. Fine. So write down direction of, next point, next revision point, direction of electric field, direction of electric field due to positive charge, due to positive charge. It means our system is positively charged system. So this positively charged system is definitely going to repel the positive charge, is definitely going to repel the positive charge. It means that if our system is positively charged, if our system is positively charged, it means that it is going to repel other positive charges. And the force, direction of force on the positive charge is the direction of electric field. Okay, it means that direction of electric field due to the positive charge is away from it, is away from the system or away from it. Now you will reply me in the chat box. Is this statement clear to all of you or not? Looking at the chat box now, tell me. Bola. This statement should be clear. Electric field due to the positive charge is away from it because it repels other positive charges. Good. Very good. Clear hai? Any doubt? Why the direction away from it? Because positive charge is experiencing a force away from the system, and your system is positive, so it is going to repel. Fine, sir. So let us make one more statement, one more similar statement, very easy for you. Direction of electric field due to, as it is, instead of positive charge, let me write negative charge. It means if my system is negatively charged, if my system is negatively charged, then what will happen? It is going to attract the positive charge. It is going to attract the positive charge. So positive charge will experience a force towards the system. Positive charge will experience the force towards the system. So direction of electric field is towards negative charge. Direction of electric field due to negative charge is not away, it is towards it, towards it. Got it? Revision. Is that clear? Revision झाली बघा. Yesterday's lecture completely revised. Magnitude, direction, vector form. And after that, I solved some examples that you can watch later if you have not watched it till now. Fine, sir. Next. चला बाळांनो, next point. Okay, let us solve some examples. Okay, let me read the example. There are some self-practice problem. There are some examples which are written. Let us try those examples which are based on the concept of electric field, its scalar, its magnitude, its direction, and the vector form. Okay, chalo. Let me read the question. You try to extract the data along with me. So write down self-practice problem S1. Write down along with me. There are some problems given. Let us deal with those problems together. Let me read the question. You try to extract data along with me and let us solve it together. Chalo. The magnitude of electric field intensity is such that an electron placed in that electric field would experience an electrical force. Yes, in an electric field, if you place any charged particle, it will experience force. In an electric field, if you place any charged particle, it will experience force. Electron is a charged particle. The magnitude of electric field intensity is capital E. Write down here capital E. Is such that magnitude is such that an electron placed in that electric field would experience an electrical force equal to its weight is given by. This magnitude of electric field is given by, and it is given that force because of electric field Fe, force because of electric field on the electron is equal to weight of the electron, is equal to weight of the electron. Okay, very simple thing. Let us try to understand this. For what value of electric field, for what magnitude of electric field, the force experienced by the electron is equal to its weight. Okay, so what to do? Observe here. Let's say we have one charged particle. The charged particle has charge equal to minus E because it is electron. Okay, because it is electron. Now what are the forces acting on the electron? Sir, the first force is mg. Electron has some mass, so the first force is mg. Okay, now we want to balance the weight of the electron. By the electric force. Okay, force between the charges is called as electric force, Fe. Okay. So we know in an electric field, if we place a charge, then that charge will experience force. Okay, so you people tell me, let's say this is a positive charge. And it is experiencing a rightward force. Then what should be the direction of electric field at this point? Reply me in the chat box. Here we have some, just give me a second. Here we have some electric field. In that electric field, I have a positive charge. That positive charge is experiencing a rightward force. It means direction of electric field must be rightward because positive charge is experiencing force rightward. So the electric field must be rightward. Okay. Now you people tell me, if the electric field at a given point is rightward, then negative charge will experience rightward force or leftward force. Now reply me in the chat box, capital R or capital L. Looking at the chat box. Correct. Manali correct. Vidula correct. Sir, negative charge will experience force leftward or rightward? electric field is rightward. Means positive charge will experience rightward force, then negative will experience, correct, Prithviraj, Aditya? Sir, positive charge experiences rightward force means electric field is rightward. Here also the electric field is rightward, means positive charge is experiencing rightward force. Then definitely negative charge will experience leftward force. Okay, negative charge will experience leftward force. Okay, okay, okay. Now this is electron. This is electron. This electron has negative charge. We know minus E. E is just a number. 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Minus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb is the charge on the electron. Okay. Electron is a negative charge. Negative charge is experiencing upward force. It means if we place positive charge, it will experience downward force. And the direction of the force experienced by positive charge is the direction of electric field. So at this point, guys, the electric field must be downward. Reply me in the chat box, agree, disagree. Just small a, small d, agree, disagree. Good. एक concept, Sangin, you just try to understand it and just reply. Good. Everyone shall reply now, because on the next in the next step we will be having the answer. Everyone just reply. How sir has decided the direction of electric field should be downward? Is that clear? Agree, disagree? Huh? बोला बाळांनो. Positive charge experiences force in the direction of electric field. Negative charge is experiencing upward force, means positive will experience downward force, and direction of the force experienced by the positive charge is the direction of electric field. So the direction of electric field is downward. Good, very good. Fine. So the next step is what? Very simple thing. Sir, they have said this electric force is balancing the weight of the electron. And sir, we want to find out electric field. Okay, what is the magnitude of electric field? What is the formula? Electric field formula is force experience divided by charge. Okay, force experience by given charge divided by given charge. Okay, so F is equal to what? Sir, F is equal to EQ. F is equal to EQ. This is numerical relation. I have not written here bar. It is just a numerical relation. Okay, so no need to put minus E there. You can simply put E. Okay, small e. No need to put minus E. So F is equal to EQ. Numerical values we are dealing with, not vectors. Okay, sir. Therefore, capital E is equal to this mg as it is divided by the charge q. But sir, charge q is right now electron, so write E. Right there, E, mg upon charge on electron. Numerical value only we want. Magnitude of electric field, that's what we want. Okay, now reply me in the chat box. Is this question clear or not clear? Same question I have solved in the yesterday's lecture also. Good. Next, everyone shall reply so that we can move on to the next question. बोला बाळांनो, पटपट सांगा. Next question कडे जाऊ. Shall I move to the next question? Yes. Okay. चलो. Let us solve next question. Anyone has any doubt? Anyone has any doubt? You can ask. No? No doubt? Okay. Fine. So let me read the next question. Okay. Let us deal with this question. The distance between the two charges, first is given as 25 microcoulomb and second is given as 36 microcoulomb, is 11 centimeter. Okay. There are two charges. deal with this question along with me. Okay. Self practice. Question number 2. The distance between the two charges, 25 microcoulomb. First is 25 microcoulomb. Micro means 10 raised to minus 6. Micro means 10 raised to minus 6. Okay. And the second charge is 36 microcoulomb. Micro means 10 raised to minus 6. Okay, sir. Is 11 centimeter. Okay. It is 11 centimeter. Fine. Next. What they are saying, at what point on the line joining the two charges? What is the line joining the two charges? It is like this. See, I am drawing the line on the left hand side also as well as on the right hand side. Fine, this is the line which is joining these 2 point charges. Okay, you also should draw like this only. Why? You will understand. Next, at what point on the line joining the two charges, the intensity, electric field intensity will be 0. Okay, electric field intensity will be 0 at what point? Okay, so for that, so write down E is equal to 0 at which point? At which point? This is the question. Electric field will be 0 at which point? This is the question. Fine, sir. Let us deal with this question together. Let us try to understand the method. Okay, fine. Now, to deal with this question, we should know the direction and the magnitude of electric field. The direction and the magnitude of electric field because of the point charge. This is a point charge system. This is also the point charge system. This is a positive charge. This is also positive charge. We want net electric field to be equal to 0. Somewhere on this line, net electric field we want to be equal to 0. It means that at that point, what will happen? Electric field due to the first charge will cancel the electric field due to second charge, and the net field will be equal to 0. Is this thought clear to all of you? Reply me. You should reply me in the chat box on this thought. Let me repeat the thought. At some point, they want at which point the electric field is 0. It simply means that right now we have 2 point charges. Electric field because of the first charge system should cancel out the electric field due to the second charge system at that point. Is that clear? Reply me in the chat box. Agree, disagree. Thought. Good. So with this thought, we can solve the question. Okay, very good. Yes, sir. Now we agree on the thought. Okay. Now what is the electric field due to this and what is the electric field due to this? Instead of saying what is the electric field, let us first decide the directions. Okay. Now you people tell me. Let me call this as first charge system, charge 1, Q1. It is a point charge system, point charge. Okay. This is a second charge. Let me call this as region number 1. Let me call this region as region number 2. Let me call this region as region number 3. Okay, initially we have to decide the regions. Okay, left side region, right side region, in between region. Okay, 3 regions are to be formed. Okay, sir, we formed the 3 regions. Next, what? Now in the region 1, electric field due to the first charge will be leftward or rightward? Tell me, leftward or rightward? L or R? Electric field due to the positive charge. Direction of electric field due to the positive charge is away from it. So this is positive charge. In the region 1, because of this positive charge, electric field will be away from the positive. So all of you are giving the correct answer. It is others shall also reply. Left or right, L or R? These are the small decisions you have to take while solving the problems. Okay, I'm preparing you for the problems on the electric field. Yes, sir, this is a positive charge and direction of electric field due to the positive charge is away from it. So let's say E1 is the electric field due to the first charge in the first region. Okay, now again you will reply left or right. Direction of electric field in the region 1 because of the second charge. Sir, second charge is also positive. Second charge is also positive. So the direction of electric field due to this second charge in the region 1 will be leftward or rightward. Again, huh? I can see the chat box from here, huh? Left or right? Huh? This is also positive. This is again positive. This is region 1. So positive away, positive pasun away. It is away from the positive. Sir, it is again away from the positive. Now you people tell me. This much logic you should also have. Can these two fields cancel each other? The two things having same directions, can they cancel each other? Can two vectors having same direction cancel each other? Tell me. Everyone. In this lecture, you have to reply a lot because this is going to be decision wala question. Yes, no, left, right, up, down, cancel, yes, no, agree, disagree, हे होणार आहे. Direction चा खेळ आहे ना बाळांनो. So you have to reply. So, sir, the directions of both the electric fields are leftward. How can they cancel each other? Two vectors having same direction cannot cancel each other. It means that the point that they want, certainly not in this region. Certainly not in this region. Is this clear? Deciding the region and eliminating the region. Method. Yes, no. Yes, no. Here we will not get a point where the electric field will be 0. No, here we cannot get that point. Yes. Now, region number 3. Region number 3. In the region number 3, direction of electric field due to the first charge will be leftward, rightward, upward, downward. Left, right. Don't take much effort, just write small r, small l. Very good. It is small r. Sir, electric field is always away from the positive charge. Your system is positively charged, electric field is away. So rightward. So in this region, electric field due to the first charge will be rightward. Okay, sir. In the same region, in the region number 3, electric field due to the second charge. Sir, second charge is again positive. It will be again rightward. Okay, it will be again rightward. It is quite obvious. This is a positive charge and electric field due to the positive charge is always away from it. So at this point, at a point in a region number 3, electric field will be away from the positive charge, away from the positive. So sir, in the region number 3 also, these two fields cannot cancel each other. Yes, these two fields cannot cancel each other in the region number 3. Okay, so eliminate the region number 3 also. Okay, so the point at which electric field is going to be 0 should be certainly lying somewhere in the region 2. Somewhere in the region 2. Okay, sir. Now let us understand what happens in the region 2. Let us understand what happens in the region number 2. Let's say the point is located here. Let's say the point is located here. This distance is x. This distance is x. So this distance will be 11 minus x because total distance is 11 centimeter. This is x centimeter. So this must be 11 minus x. 11 minus x. Okay, sir. Now at this point, electric field due to the first charge. First charge is positive. Electric field is always away from the positive. So at this point, away from the positive, this is a positive charge, and at this point we want to find out electric field away from the positive. So electric field due to the first charge will be rightward. At this point the electric field will be rightward. Okay, sir. And similarly, because of this positive charge, at this point electric field is away from the positive. Your system is positively charged. At this point, electric field will be the away from positive, so leftward. Yes, sir. These two vectors are opposite to each other in direction. Opposite to each other in direction. So at some point, if their magnitudes also get equal, directions are opposite. In this entire region, the directions of electric fields are opposite. But at some particular point, their magnitudes will become equal, directions are opposite, and at that point, you will get electric field 0. Now, everyone shall reply yes or no, Y or N.